Have you ever hit send on an important email only to immediately spot a glaring typo? Or perhaps you've spent way too long agonizing over every word in a document, wishing for a magic bullet to catch all those pesky errors? Well, today, that magic bullet comes in the form of ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you a super simple prompt that will instantly elevate your writing and save you tons of time. We're talking about making your text look professional and polished every single time. Here's the prompt. Proofread this text for spelling and typos. Provide the corrected version and highlight changes. Paste your text. This isn't just about catching a few spelling mistakes. It's about getting a clear, corrected version of your writing with all the changes clearly showing so you can learn and improve as you go. It's an AI grammar checker on steroids. Let's try an example that might resonate with many of you. Imagine you're a local business owner in North York in Greater Toronto area, and you've drafted a social media post to promote a new line of artisanal coffees. But you're a coffee expert, not a proofreading expert. And this is what you wrote. Hey North Yorkers! We're super excited to announce our new fall coffee flavors, including a delicious maple pecan latte. Come visit us this weekend for a free sample. Add this sentence to the bracketed area in the prompt. Then click enter. And just like that, you get a perfectly polished post, ready to grab attention. No more awkward typos representing your amazing business. This works for any niche, whether you're writing code, creative stories, or academic papers. This prompt is a game changer for AI text correction. If you found this tip helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more AI tips like this. Also, give it a try and let this prompt surprise you with how effortlessly it can perfect your writing. You won't regret it.